Combining a healthy dose of resto-mod attitude with one of the best automotive designs ever produced, this irresistible 55210 is a high-power monster that puts a new spin on an old favorite. Best of all, you can have all this old-school Motown swagger and upgraded mechanicals for significantly less than the cost of a Concours Trailer Queen. Showcasing timeless Chevrolet lines that are draped in green and silver paint, this fantastic 210 is the beneficiary of a high-quality frame-off restoration that created one chic classic. After spending many years rolling down the road as a bone-stock bowtie, the car's solid body was shipped to a professional shop for a high-dollar overhaul. And today, this slick resto-mod is right at home turning heads on the road or logging points at the show. Inside, soft leather surfacing is the central theme of a custom cockpit that was installed by Paul Atkins Interiors. Power bucket seats join a restored bench to frame a custom silver-trimmed console. That console floats a traditional Hurst shifter behind vintage air conditioning and controls for modern Clarion audio. At the front of the cockpit, a silver-trimmed dash frames Dakota digital gauges. And the driver stays connected through a stylish Billet Specialties steering wheel, which spins a half-wrapped rim around a tilting column. Gaze into the body-matched engine bay and you'll find 6.2 liters of small block Fury. Officially known as the Chevrolet Performance LS376 480, this crate engine twists respectable 495 horsepower and 473 pound-feet of torque. And a built Tremec TKO600 5-speed sends thrust to an aluminum Moser 9-inch. If you've been searching for a top-notch Tri-5 custom that's as much fun to drive as it is to show, this cool sedan's attractive combination of great performance and classic style simply cannot be beat. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotorscharlotte.com.